everyone. It's pretty. The enamel flower, I bought it from the store, from the bead store. And I'm going to just show you how I made the bracelet. So, but I'm using black and gold. And the size of this from here to here, 3 centimeter and a quarter. And our materials, I have 3 sizes of seed beads. I have 8/0, 15/0, and 11/0. And also I have the curvy beads, and they are 25 millimeter in size. And the clasp, and I already put the jump ring. And my this is 6 millimeter. So I'll be needing 2, and my beading needle number 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. First, I put my stopper and just leave like 5 inches of tail. Then I'll pick up 1/8/0 and 8/11/0, and I can attach the clasp. Then pass through 8/0. Then I'll pick up the curvy bead, 1/8/0, pearl, and 1/8/0, then down, pick up 1 curvy, 1/8/0, then 10 of 15/0 seed beads. I have 10. Then pass through 8/0. I'm going to just pass some beads, then I'll make some couple of knots, then I'll cut the thread. So I did the other side too, and I'm going to just attach a jump ring at the end. It's done. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Very easy to make. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. And happy beading.